But now, let me share with you my 3 top reasons to buy a triple net ground lease. Number 1, ground leases are less risky investments. And why they are less risky? Because of 2 major reasons. First, the annual rent of a ground lease is lower. And it is lower because the development and building construction costs are not factorized in the annual rent. And why that fact made them less risky? Because the lower the rent, the more comfortable those rent payments will be and will allow the tenant to operate with a more healthy rent to income ratio. And I'm going to give you one example of that. The annual rent of a fee simple fast food restaurant could be in the $150,000 per year because of the fact that the construction costs are factorized in the rent. And the annual rent for the same fast food restaurant in a ground lease structure could be around $90,000. And now the question is, which tenant will be able to pay the rent in a more comfortable way? The second reason why ground leases are less risky investment is pure common sense. The tenant invested a substantial amount of out-of-pocket money to develop and build a building on your own property. Therefore, the commitment with the property will be substantially higher than if that building would have been built and developed by the landlord itself. Remember this key concept. Ground leases are less risky investments, and they are less risky because the rent is lower, which allows the tenant to operate more comfortably. And second, the tenant will have more commitment with the property as they have invested their own out-of-pocket money in developing their own building. If you are interested in buying a triple net ground lease, we specialize in representing triple net buyers and 1031 exchange investors. We have the knowledge and expertise to guide you along the way, from market research, identifying potential properties, submitting offers and negotiating them, due diligence, up to the closing table. Moreover, we represent our buyers for free since we get paid from the seller. And we also pay for our buyers' closing costs up to a maximum of $10,000. This incentive will offset or in some instances cover completely some of the major buyer closing cost expenses, such as title fees, attorney's fees, recording fees, among others. We are the brokers that give you more in exchange of your trust. If you have any questions or need guidance with your upcoming triple net investment acquisition or 1031 exchange replacement property, you can call me or email me anytime at your convenience, and I will be in contact with you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more upcoming videos about triple net investment properties. I am Alex Casablanca, and I am looking forward to working with you in your next triple net ground lease acquisition. Have a great day.